He burst into loud mocking laughter the moment she limped into the courtroom wearing her battered U.S. Army uniform. He didn't whisper, he made sure everyone heard. "Oh my God, look at her. Did she crawl straight here from a dumpster behind the VA? This is who's suing us." His attorneys laughed with him. One added with a grin, "She looks like she can't even afford a bus ticket, let alone a lawyer." Across the aisle, the company executives leaned toward each other and whispered loudly, intentionally, "Relax, if she's our opponent, this is already won. She came here to lose." The courtroom snickered. They saw a broken veteran. They had no idea what was coming. Her name was Sergeant Lucia Hale, 11 years in the United States Army. Reconnaissance specialist. 3 combat deployments. Shot twice. Buried under rubble. Dragged a teammate 3 miles under fire. But none of that mattered to Crane Industries. When she returned home with a limp and chronic nerve damage, she applied for a simple security position, checking badges, walking short patrols, honest work. On her first day, the manager, Michael Walsh, looked her up and down, disgust smeared across his face. "Yeah, no, we don't need unstable war leftovers scaring employees." Lucia stayed calm. "I have my medical clearance, my certifications." He cut her off sharply. "Your crazy soldier brain doesn't belong here. Leave before you cause an incident." Security dragged her out like she was dangerous. No paperwork, just humiliation. She filed a complaint. They laughed it off, called her attention-seeking, said she was pretending trauma. Then she discovered what they didn't want her to see. Crane Industries illegally accessed her medical records and emailed each other making fun of her injuries. She wasn't supposed to ever find out, but someone leaked the emails, and that's what led to today. The courtroom was packed. Executives still smirking, confident they'd crush her. The judge entered. The room stood. Everyone except Lucia, her injured leg shaking under her weight. Michael leaned to his lawyer and scoffed. "Can't even stand without wobbling. Pathetic." The judge looked at Lucia gently. "Sergeant Hale, are you able to proceed?" "Yes, Your Honor." The company's attorney swaggered to the center. "Your Honor, this case is baseless. The plaintiff is simply an unstable, unemployed veteran imagining discrimination." Lucia's attorney stepped forward calmly. "With permission, Your Honor, Exhibit A." The lights dimmed. The screen lit up. The emails appeared. Michael's own words. "Don't hire the limp girl. She'll probably snap and shoot the place up. PTSD princess thinks she deserves a paycheck. She's army trash." Gasps filled the room. The defense froze. Michael jumped to his feet. This is out of context." Lucia's attorney pressed play again. A video appeared from the employee lounge. Michael laughing, imitating Lucia's limp, mock saluting, calling her combat trash. Chaos exploded in the courtroom. The judge slammed her gavel. "Order." She glared at the company table, disgust overtaking her face. "This is some of the most vile, dehumanizing conduct this court has ever witnessed." She turned to Lucia. "Sergeant Hale, on behalf of this court and this country, I am sorry." Then came the verdict. 7-figure compensation. Immediate termination of all responsible staff. Federal investigation for medical privacy violations. Public apology broadcast statewide. Michael collapsed into his chair, shaking. Lucia stood, slowly, pain radiating through her leg, but dignity unbreakable. Outside the courthouse, reporters surrounded her. She spoke softly but powerfully. "I didn't fight for revenge. I fought so the next soldier doesn't get treated like trash."